Hi. When I'm selling estate houses, I often get asked, can an executor be one of the heirs? Can an heir act as an executor, executrix, or administrator? The answer is yes, absolutely you can. In fact, the probate court prefers it. As an executor and an heir, there's a couple little things you want to watch out for. First thing is, you always want to have a separate account for the estate. You want to be able to document everything, and you want to have one place to go back to in case there's ever a dispute or a question or anything, especially if those questions come from the tax people. Now, there's two types of taxes. There's inheritance and estate. Estate is more federal, where inheritance is more Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania doesn't charge an estate tax. So on the inheritance tax, there's a scale. Spouses are 0, children get 1%. Siblings are another percent, and other cousins, friends, and other people. That's a whole separate percentage. I do have a video on that, so I'm not going to get into that here. So the obvious question that comes up next is, can the executor buy estate property, either real estate, real property, or personal property, coins, furniture, car, boat, motorcycle, things like that? To answer the question, yes. When it comes to any of these things, you want to get a written evaluation from an expert in the business. So just talking about the real estate part of it, all year long, I write letters for people. They have to be written a certain way. And what that does is it puts a value on the estate house or any other real estate, investment properties, things like that. It gets filed with the inheritance taxes and kept with the executor for protection, because you don't want the government coming and saying, hey, that house is worth $300,000 and you only pay taxes on $100,000, or you only bought it for $100,000. You want to have a letter or something from a licensed professional to back you up. One of the other things you have to do as an executor is file the decedent's final income tax return. A qualified accountant will help you do that. Another question I get asked a lot from executors is, can they get a fee? The answer to that is also yes. What that fee is, it depends on how much is in the estate, but there's something called the Johnson scale. It's a sliding scale. 100,000 is based on, one percentage, and then another percentage for the next 200,000, and so on up the line. It's a little complicated. I will have more information on that if you need to reach out to me, but you can also look it up online. That's also what some estate attorneys charge. Some probate attorneys will charge you based on a Johnson scale. Some will just charge you a flat fee. So as an executor, you are entitled to a fee even if you're one of the heirs. Now that fee is taxable, so you have to weigh the pros and cons of how much inheritance tax would be and how much it would be in income tax if you take a fee from the estate. So yes, you can be an heir and you can be an executor. Hi, thanks for watching. If you found this useful, you should check out my video with an executor of will checklist. Just click the link below, and thanks again for watching.